Alright, what is good? I'm just going to be running through a trade that I took last night on GJ. It was a losing trade, and this was through the New York session. I'm just going to be running through why it lost and what I could have done better to avoid this mistake. And I'll jump in the charts. So coming in on an hourly time frame, we had really good signs for a bearish movement. We had an hourly sweep of liquidity while sitting in this hourly bearish fair value gap at the same time. So I was obviously looking for shorts. We had great confluences to be taking shorts too. We had this hourly bit of liquidity there. We had a 5-minute order block and another hourly low. So I had 3 take profits that I was targeting for the day. And directly on market opening, we saw a heavy bearish movement, which just added to my confirmation that we were going to move bearish for the day. If you look on here, I'll just remove that. So market opens and we had a strong bearish move. And we're already in a bearish down move from pre-market, and we just kept moving in that same direction, creating this 5-minute fair value gap. Right there, as seen, we got tapped back into and reacted off of. So I was looking for entries as soon as market opened. And this is quite a common occurrence that I've found with market opening, especially in GJ, just with the 5-minute break of structure and also the 5-minute fair value gap forming. Really good confluences for an entry, and so I was super keen to get into a trade here. And pretty much as soon as we touched and reacted off that 5-minute fair value gap, we just started chopping around. As seen, there's maybe 5 of these candles here. There's huge spaces in between. I don't know what market was doing, but it was just completely unprecedented price action, especially after such good price action on a 5-minute time frame. That was really weird. And for me, I just forced a trade. I was way too locked in on a 5-minute time frame, and I was convinced that because price action was good on the 5-minute that we were going to get a good trade, and completely disregarded that price action was moving weirdly. So that was my mistake for the day. I ended up taking shorts off of this bearish reaction here, stops above that high, and I had a first take profit for a 1.75 risk reward and a second for a 1 to 3.3. So this would not have been a bad entry in my opinion, except for the fact that price action had been moving so terribly. As seen, we got wicked out by about 1 pip, and then price reverse hitting all of our take profits. So for the day, I can be happy that I knew exactly where price wanted to go on an hourly time frame and on a 5-minute time frame. But like I said, disgusting price action, and yeah, the best decision for me would have just been to leave the markets and go do something else this time. So that was a loss I took last night on New York session. I don't know if I'll be trading tonight because there's CPI news and USD CPI, which usually fucks up the GJ market as well. So I'll see what happens. But anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.